Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So after I drink this coffee, we're gonna jump right in. This is the Fenty Beauty Stay True Matte Primer. So I'm gonna just put this on my face. I've been loving how this keeps my oil in check. Next, I'm gonna color correct. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the color orange. So I'm gonna counteract all of the dark spots and the darkness I have on my face. So that way when I add my foundation, it's just completely perfect. So I'm gonna blend that out with the Beauty Blender, and then I'm gonna tap that on so I get the most coverage. Next, this is the iconic highlighting drops. This came in my BoxyCharm, so this is gonna just give me a glow under my foundation. So I'm gonna blend that out and then jump in with my foundation. This is MILANI's Screen Queen. You guys, look at that coverage. This is a drugstore foundation and it is so bomb. My skin just looks so buttery and delicious. I'm so serious. All right, so you're gonna just blend that on. I use tapping motions to get the most coverage. Next, I'm gonna go in with my concealers. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna use two different ones. It's the Deep and then the Tan Sand, so that way I get a subtle highlight. Next, I'm going to contour. This is the Sculpt and Glow from Profusion. My camera died, so you guys didn't see my setting powder, but just use whatever setting powder. And then I'm gonna contour my nose. My camera died, so I couldn't show you my powder, but this is the LORAC palette. I'm going to use that pinky shade for blush, and then I'm going to go back into the Sculpt and Glow for the highlight. This is one of my favorite highlighting palettes. The highlight is just so beautiful. And now I'm going to set my face with the MAC Fix Plus spray. And to avoid getting any of the water spots to stain my foundation and powder, I'm going to suck it up with the Beauty Blender. And this is Beauty Creations FRIDA palette. I'm going to take the light shade up there to set my eyelids. And then this brown shade I'm going to put directly into the crease. You guys know I love that airbrush effect, so I'm going to just keep blending until I'm satisfied. Next, I'm going to take the darker brown shade, and then I'm going to put that and deepen my crease. The key here is to just continuously blend. And then of course, keep adding until you're satisfied with the color pigmentation. Next, I'm gonna take that super, super smoky brown, and then I'm gonna smoke out my lids. I'm also gonna bring that down to my lower lash. The baby was throwing a fit, so I picked him up. But I'm gonna use this gold shade and then just put that on top of the brown. This came out so beautiful. I love that highlight. And then I'm gonna do a smoky liner with that black. I'm gonna just drag this along my lash line. I'm also gonna smoke out the outer corners on the lower lash. And then this highlight from the Sculpt and Glow. I like matching my highlights, as you guys know. So I'm gonna use it for my brow bone, and I also did the inner corners. White liner is my favorite, if you guys haven't figured that out yet. So we're gonna do the waterline. And then we're gonna go back and then just make sure it's blended on the bottom. Now for glitter, brown glitter and the Anastasia glitter adhesive. I'm gonna just put that on the lower lash. And then of course, tap on that glitter. You guys, I can't live without glitter. This is so beautiful. And then of course, mascara. You're my little honey, he's so good. All right, so for lashes, I'm gonna use the AJOURD Luxury Lashes in Queen. Those were gifted to me by the owner. And then any lip liner in brown, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna just outline my lips. And this teal, oh my God, is from Sugarpill. I can't even think of the name right now, but I was in a funky mood, so I wanted some teal lips. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.